Here's a detailed overview of trading, covering types, markets, strategies, and risk management. Understanding trading, an in-depth overview. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and derivatives to make a profit. While investing typically implies a long-term approach, trading focuses on capitalizing on short-term market movements. 1. Types of trading. Trading can be classified into several types based on the time frame and strategy used. Day trading. Day traders execute multiple trades within a single day, often holding no positions overnight. The goal is to benefit from small price movements, so it requires continuous monitoring of the markets and quick decision making. Swing trading. Swing traders aim to capture gains over a few days to weeks, focusing on larger price swings. This type of trading requires technical analysis and patience, but doesn't demand the constant attention that day trading does. Scalping. Scalpers make numerous trades throughout the day, trying to scalp small profits from each one. This approach requires a deep understanding of market conditions, fast reflexes, and sophisticated trading tools. Position trading. A more prolonged approach, position trading focuses on long-term price trends, which means trades may be held for months or even years. It's less affected by short-term market volatility and relies heavily on fundamental analysis. Nasher 2. Trading markets. Each type of trading occurs within specific markets, each with its own set of rules, instruments, and participants. Stock market. The stock market is where shares of publicly listed companies are traded. It includes major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ. The stock market can be volatile, influenced by earnings reports, economic data, and geopolitical events. Forex market. The foreign exchange Forex market is the largest and most liquid, trading currencies worldwide. Open 24 hours, it's particularly appealing for day traders as it allows trading at any time. Currencies are traded in pairs, e.g. USD, and factors such as interest rates, economic indicators, and political events influence their values. Commodities market. Commodities include physical goods like oil, gold, and agricultural products. They are traded on exchanges like the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME. Commodity prices are affected by supply and demand dynamics, often influenced by factors such as weather, geopolitics, and economic conditions. Cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are traded on digital platforms and exchanges. This market is known for extreme volatility, and prices are influenced by regulatory news, adoption rates, and technological advancements. Derivatives market. Derivatives are financial contracts whose value depends on underlying assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, or indexes. Examples include futures, options, and swaps. They are widely used for hedging and speculating on price movements without directly owning the assets.